Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be talking to you about the recent scam activity that I came across in Insta. And I know this is way out of a topic, but guys, I just wanted to bring this to your notice because I recently came across two such incidents and I don't want any of the new influencers to get affected because of this. And this might at least create an awareness for the people who are watching this video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I'll just tell you the story behind that, guys. Recently, I got a message from the so-called brand. They call it as a brand, so should we?
Oh
Why to spoil this? Let's call it as a brand. And from the brand manager, I got a message stating that they are looking for a good brand ambassador.
Say what?
The message was from the brand manager, and the message was sweet. Really sweet, guys. None of you would ignore such kind of message. I have their message here. Let me read out the message, guys. This will be really interesting. And the message stated that I'm a brand manager of women's fashion jewelry. We are currently looking for a brand ambassadors who are willing to represent our brand name, the so-called brand name. And I came across your profile and saw you've got this charisma of a model potential, which I also found you perfect to wear our products. Here is our official Instagram account and have a look of some of our ambassadors. If you can finish off application and become an ambassador today, you'll be on the special slot and you will be receiving a limited edition products. And also we're giving you $60 as a form of reward for becoming our newest brand ambassadors. After looking into the message, what I did first was I just wanted to go through this brand manager's profile, and I just went through, and that was not quite convincing. So what I did was I just went to the official account of the so-called brand that she mentioned, and I just messaged them. That official account had some huge followers of some more than 1 or 1.5 lakhs of followers. So I thought that that was a genuine brand, because we always believe that any account with some huge followers is always a trustable thing, right? So did I thought that that was a genuine account. I messaged the original account asking about this brand manager, and let me read out the reply from them, guys. That would be more interesting. First of all, they apologized for replying late, and that's a good kind of gesture. I really like that. And here's the reply from the main account. And they told like nothing to worry. She's one of our brand manager who was looking for beautiful ladies that perfectly fit into our brand, and you're lucky.
Oh no, not again.
I guess and that she searched out to you. Go back to her and she'll help you to apply the ambassadors program and give you the details. After this, I literally trusted them and followed the procedures whatever they have mentioned. They told like they're gonna give me 4 jewelries for free. All I have to do is that I need to select my jewelries, my favorite pieces, and then place the order. I selected my jewelries and then added them in cart, and they provided some coupon code. I applied that. It was mentioned like I need to pay for the shipping. Guys, the shipping fee was around $20, and I just messaged them asking if they are exporting the products to India, because I had the doubt, and they told like they're exporting their products all over the world. And I just asked them, they told like I need to pay the shipping fee. My doubt started from there, guys. Why do they ask the shipping fee from the future brand ambassador? Doesn't it sound meaningful, guys? So my doubt started from there, and I started researching about the brand in detail. After doing research, I found that it's a scam. So let me tell you how they work. And they do message the influencers. I'm not sure if they're messaging only the influencer or the normal people too. So they just message them, and whoever is responding, they just ask them to do the same procedure that what I have mentioned here. Firstly, this scammers send the damaged products to the customers. Secondly, they send the poor quality products to their customers. And thirdly, they do not send the products at all. Most of the customers have not received their products. So what about the $20 that you pay? It's out. That's how they work, guys. This is a kind of a fraudulent activity. And not only this, guys, I also got another message from another brand. It's a makeup brand stating similar kind of things, and so I just wanted to bring this forward. Don't ever believe such kind of messages blindly, guys. Messages would be really sweet. They'd be kind of provoking your interest, and they tell you like you're gonna be the brand ambassador. They offer you money, and they also tell that they're gonna be sending you for some international trips. Don't ever believe such kind of messages, guys. There may be some genuine brand. In that case, first of all, do a thorough research about their brand. Just google about the brand, do further research, and you can ask your acquaintances as well, and know about the brand in detail before stepping into it. I hope you guys would have found this video useful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, also the notification bell button, which is right below, to get notified about my new uploads. We'll catch you all in my next video. Take care and bye bye.
She's